Welcome back to another episode of JailBreak Overlander. I'm Richie, and this is JailBreak. This is going to be a quick video. This is in response to several dozen emails and comments I received on what is the best water filter to use in a bug out, survival, or off-grid situation. If you follow this channel for any length of time, you realize that I spend a lot of time on the road. And I spend a lot of time away from everybody else. And water is important, incredibly important. And no matter where it comes from, you'll find little things in it that might not agree with people. So I'm going to show you the best filter, hands down. So check this out. Okay, I spend a lot of time on the road. I drive a lot, and I go to places where there's not a lot of people around whatsoever at all. So I rely on myself, and I rely on my gear. And a lot of you guys rely on the gear that I use because you know that I actually test it. And if it doesn't work, I don't use it, straight up. Water is an incredibly important thing, and I am constantly getting new sources of water to take with me so that I always have it. You see what I'm saying? If I find a stream, a mountaintop river, a creek, anything that looks decent, I stop and I fill up with water. But no matter where it comes from, I always filter the water, period. I don't care if it comes out of a cavern stream at 10,000 feet like this particular stream right here. I always filter, no matter what. I don't want to risk getting sick because being sick out here is horrible and it can lead to disaster. This water looks incredibly clean, and it is, but still I'm going to filter it. Now, I've already done a video on the best water filter in my opinion, but I found a couple of others and people asked me about a couple of others, so I got them and I tested them out. I've stuck with Sawyer water filters for almost a decade now, but in this particular video I tried out the Life Straw, a couple of other versions of the water straw, and the Katadyn version gravity bag, and you're going to see that in this video, as well as a little butt crack, as you can see, but hey, it happens. The reason I like the Katadyn gravity water bag system is it was fast. Sawyer water filters are not fast, but they're incredibly effective. The Katadyn bag, on the other hand, would empty that entire 100-ounce bag in about 4 minutes flat. After using this, I believe 6 times, sitting in the truck for a week, the filter's completely blocked. Can't blow it out, can't do anything to it, just does not work. That sucks. The Sawyer filters, they're slow, but they always work. And you can back flush them, and they even give you a syringe to do so. I'm going to use the plunger supplied with the Sawyer filters. Let's see if I can't blow this Katadyn out. You can already see it's going to be an issue. There we go. Let me pull off the hose. I can hear air. That's a good thing. Here we go. Now Sawyer supplies these with every one of their $20 filters. Again, this katadyn was 80 bucks. But carrying extra water filtration devices is smart. Okay, it's filtering just incredibly slow. Nothing like it was before. And again, this has only been used 4 times, 5 tops, and it was perfectly crystal clear mountain water from that exact stream, actually, straight off the top of the Bighorn Mountains. No farms, nothing. 30 bucks, you get a Sawyer filter, you get a Sawyer bag, you get the hoses, you get the plunger to clean it out with, and I've never had one fail, ever. And I've been using Sawyer filters for 8 years. The katadyn, I don't know, man. I mean, it's filtering just incredibly slowly. And last time it filtered, it went through that whole 3-liter bag in probably 5 minutes. So long story short, I tried the life straws, I tried all the emergency survival straws, I've tried every type of gravity fed system. The only one that's never failed is the Sawyer system. And they're small enough that you can keep one in a cargo pocket, you can keep it in a bug out bag, an escape and evade bag, and if you want a backup, buy 2 of them. Because for 30 bucks, they give you the plunger, they give you the bag, they give you everything you possibly need. It's a really good setup, and I've never once gotten any type of adverse reaction from drinking water that I ran through a Sawyer filter. And using the filter couldn't possibly be easier. Just make sure that when you use the bag, you keep a dirty water bag to the side and never mix them. Do you understand what I'm saying? There'll be a link pinned in the description below where you can purchase one of these on Amazon, and it'll be at your house in about 2 days. It's a huge peace of mind. At any rate, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below, and I will return the favor. I am out.